In order to download a free wallpaper on OPPO Find X9, first of all, we can go to Settings. Over here in Settings, choose Home Screen, Lock Screen and Style, and then we're gonna swipe up in here in order to reveal this section. Now we can choose Wallpapers. And then in here, scroll all the way down to find More Wallpapers option. We will open the store with many different wallpapers that of course we can get. And we have different categories in here. We have rank, so I guess that these are the most popular choices. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. And if you like the wallpaper, then of course we can tap on apply. We can choose if you want to use it for lock screen, home screen, or both, or the carousel wallpapers. I'm gonna choose for both. Over here we have the customization as well, and in some cases of course we should well, not in some cases, in general you can also tap on the lock screen or home screen in order to of course preview precisely how it looks like. So once you tap on done, there we go, we have set our wallpaper. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.